Welcome you all in the video shell script. In this video, before going to discuss regarding what is shell script, first we must understand what is the meaning of script, because we are writing the shell script, and for writing the shell script the basic need is to that we must understand what is the meaning of scripting language, because at the level of this discussion, as we are not aware about the languages and as we are not aware about the scripting languages especially, that's why if there is no awareness regarding this scripting languages, so it is very means somewhat difficult to understand the shell scripting, because it is a new terminology as it is not part of system administration. It is totally programming part. That's why people mostly feel somewhat difficulties for understanding this shell script. So first we will discuss regarding the scripting languages, what is script and what is scripting language and what are different scripting languages. Then we'll go for the part of the shell script that we use in the Linux operating system. So here, as we know that we are using the programming languages like C, C++, Java and so on. There are n number of programming languages are there, and as we can say that there might be over more than 700 programming languages that might be, as per my estimation. There are n number of programming languages are there. We are not going in detail about that particular thing. First of all, here we are going to understand the shell script, and then we are going to discuss regarding the shell scripting what we are going to use in our Linux operating system. Now coming to this, often people use the term scripting language and programming languages synonymously, but these two terms have difference than they know of. Although all scripting languages are programming languages, all programming languages are not scripting languages. So we have to understand this particular terminology here, that the most of the programming languages, all scripting languages are programming languages, but all programming languages are not scripting language. This difference you have to understand that. Means there is a difference between a programming language and a scripting language, but both are used for writing the programs. But we cannot say all scripting languages are programming languages, but we can say all programming languages are scripting languages, and interchangeably. Now coming to this, earlier programming languages were written to build products such as PowerPoint, Internet Explorer, Excel, Microsoft Word and so on. However, there arose a need to upgrade the programming language to incorporate additional functionalities and provide enhanced programming interface. Thus, scripting language came into existence or came into being. Okay, we know that earlier whatever programming languages are there, they are used for writing the programs, such as they are used for building the PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, Word and so on. But at the same time, when the programming languages become popular, they are also used for writing general purpose programs at the same time. So to enhance or to improve the interface of these programming languages, the need of scripting languages came into existence. Means before using the scripting languages, we are using only the programming languages, but when we start writing the programming programs for general purpose or general use, we need or we feel the need of using some scripting languages. The primary difference between a scripting language and a programming language is their execution. So we can differentiate between the scripting and programming language based on their execution. The basic difference of execution is there between a programming language and a scripting language. Programming language use a compiler to convert high-level language into machine language. On other hand, scripting language use interpreter. Okay, so this is the basic difference. Means programming languages use compiler and scripting languages use interpreter. There is a difference of compilation and interpretation. Most of the scripting languages are interpreted, means they use interpreter, and most of the programming languages are compiler based, means they use compiler. As we know that compiler and interpreter difference is there. Compiler converts the entire program into machine language, whereas the interpreter program convert the machine language in high level language into machine language based on the line by line, means it executes line by line. Okay. The scripting language is basically a language where instructions are written for a runtime environment. Means they are written for runtime environment. They do not require compilation steps and rather interpreted. Means they are interpreted. It brings a new functions to application and glue complex system together. A scripting language is a programming language designed for integrating and communicating with other programming languages. So also we can understand here the basic difference between scripting language and programming language, that scripting language are basically used for writing complex programs, and scripting language are supports scripts which are program written exclusively for special purpose runtime environment to automate the execution of a specific action or function. A shell script is a computer program designed to be run by the Unix or Linux shell, which could be one of the following: the Bourne shell, the C shell, the Korn shell, or the JNU Bourne again shell. So here, as we know that we are using the shell script for writing the programs. So basically, a shell script is a computer program designed to be run by the Unix or Linux compiler for writing the programs in the Bourne shell or C shell or Korn shell or JNU Bourne shell again. A shell is a command line interpreter, and typically operations performed by shell script include file manipulation, program execution, and printing the text. Now there is a terminology called as extended shell script. The extended shell script has several required constructs that tells the shell environment what to do and when to do. Of course, most of the shell scripts are more complex and they are written more complex than the above one. The shell is, after all, a real programming language, complete with the variables. The shell is often real programming language, complete with the variable, control constructs, and so forth. No matter how complicated a script gets, it is until just a list of commands executed sequentially. The following script uses the read command, which takes the input from the keyboard and assign its value of the variable person and finally print stdio.h, because the shell script have several required construct that tells the shell environment that what to do and when to do. Of course, most of the scripts are more complex than the above. The shell is often all real programming language, complete with variable control structures and so forth. So when we will discuss regarding this shell script, first of all, we will discuss regarding the structure of the shell script in general, and then we will see how the variables and the other constructs or other programming constructs of the shell scripts are used for writing the program. Means we will clearly define the structure of the shell script, and based on by using that clear structure, we will discuss the structure based on that by taking the different examples. Thank you.